So last time you saw us film a lot of trains, because Mandy likes big trains. We went to the Griffith Observatory in Hollywood, saw the Hollywood sign, and also went to walk along Hollywood Boulevard, Hollywood Walk of Fame, all that kind of stuff. We went to the Santa Monica Pier to see all the little fun things that go along there. I won a little emoji for Mandy. She really liked it. We went down on the boardwalk and on the beach, had a nice go of the swings, and then set off on the Pacific Coast Highway.
Cars taking pictures, very peculiar.
Zebra.
Zebras! Zebras! So we are back on the Pacific Coast Highway. We had a lovely stop at a little hotel in Cambria last night, and had a walk around. Such a quaint little town. It's like everything you see on the telly, isn't it?
Like 60s America, tiny little town.
And they're prepping for a harvest festival, so there's like scarecrows all over the place that are made to look like people, and look like there might be a competition or something like that going on. So it was a lovely night stay, wonderful, lovely little hotel with a fireplace in the room and everything. It was at Rigdon House.
Yeah,
really, really nice. And nice breakfast at Lynn's this morning, probably the best breakfast we've had since we've been here.
Yeah.
And like I say, now we're back on the road again.
It's a bit overcast, isn't it? A bit grey.
Yeah, a bit grey.
It's like low cloud, so it's just a bit grey. But
And,
we're trying to look out for whales, because we've heard the breaching today, but we can just see hundreds of pelicans.
Yes, there's pelicans everywhere. And then we were just looking, and it was like, what's that over there?
Well, it's like tons of cars just stopped at the side of the road. We're thinking they can see the whales or something like that.
Nope.
But no, they were looking at
Zebras.
Zebras
In a field.
and cows.
And zebras, you know, like you do. So that was unusual.
Yeah.
Never seen zebras,
No.
really. In America, I've seen them in a farmer zoo.
The farmer zoo.
The farmer zoo.
Yeah, so we're on our way, PCH, on our way to Monterey Bay.
Stop off at the Big Sur, take some photos there, no doubt.
And just see if we can spot these whales.
Yeah, be good. Catch you later.
Take me for a runaway. I guess I'm a little torn. My life is on the highway. My song's on the radio. I cannot deny I love being wild. And when the lights out, I'm moving on. I cannot deny I aim for the sky. So when they are gone, then we are out. We're talking about a good time. We're chasing every moment, all the good nights. We're always looking out, and it's a good life. We go around the world for a show. And it's a good time. We're chasing every moment, all the good nights. We're always looking out, and it's a good life. No, we are never letting this go. Yeah, we're cruising down the highway, and everything feels so good. Our next stop is El Paso. We're soon down in Mexico. I cannot deny I love being wild. And when the lights out, I'm moving on. I cannot deny I aim for the sky. So when they are gone, then we are out. We're talking about a good time. We're chasing every moment, all the good nights. We're always looking out, and it's a good life. We go around the world for a show.
So driving through some lovely misty mountains.
Yeah, scenery on the Pacific Coast Highway is definitely very, very nice.
It'd be a lot nicer if we could see it.
Yeah, but
It is a bit misty, but we keep getting chances to stop and take a look. And
bit of droning as well.
yeah, it's good. So
But we thought having a conversation about what things we're going to miss, because it's our penultimate day, and like what sort of things we miss. I think I'm going to miss, food-wise, I'm going to miss the American breakfasts,
Oh yeah.
the payday bars,
Oh, payday bars. Ooh, we like payday bars.
and the ability in any snack shop whatsoever to get a cinnamon swirl bun with icing on.
Yeah, well, they're his favourite. He
Oh,
loves his
yeah.
cinnamon swirls. I like crunchy Cheetos, and there are some places you can get them in the UK, but as usual, they're overinflated price-wise. But yeah, I've been enjoying stuff like that. It's been good food.
Yeah.
And root beer. Oh, root beer is my favourite thing of all time.
I think I'm going to miss the roads as well, not just like the roads to travel on, but just the ability to seemingly get anywhere and go anywhere. And we travel an awful lot in UK and Europe, but it seems to be more restricted where you can go. We're always on about, where we can park up for the night in the camper van, or where we can get to, what access we've got and things. Whereas over here it's just free.
Yeah.
Everybody seems to just park up wherever they want. We've only seen one lay-by that said no overnight parking. One lay-by in 3,000 miles and 10 days. So I'm going to miss that.
And turning right on red.
Yeah, turning right on red.
Why
That
don't
is
they do
good.
that in the UK? Of left, of course, not instead of right. So we are going to miss this. It feels like it's gone in a whiz.
Yeah.
But we've done so much stuff and we're exhausted because we've done so much driving. But then, like I said, I can't believe we're flying home tomorrow. So it's been fab. It's been a mix. I couldn't have put a more varied mix of things in.
No, we really have seen so many different things. Strange enough, the same things but done different ways.
Yeah.
Or the same experiences. The different experiences, but like people's perception of what's supposed to be this or what's that, and like just I don't know. It's difficult to describe.
But yesterday, for instance, we were on Santa Monica Pier in the morning in shorts and t-shirts, absolutely sweating. And then by the time we got to Cambria for tea time, the first thing we had to do was run inside and put some trousers on because it was freezing.
Yeah,
in
you're probably
comparison.
looking at us with coats and hoodies and everything on.
It's 57
and
at
it
the
got us
minute,
down
so.
to 52 degrees before.
Yeah.
So that's like 8 or 9 degrees C, and yet yesterday, like I say, it was up in the 30s, but the humidity over this side. I know we spoke the other day about them saying in Laughlin that it's
dry
104 degrees but dry heat. It does make a huge difference having the 94% humidity.
Yeah, definitely.
It's crazy.
Definitely.
Yeah, so the other thing as well is pretty much everywhere they bank the roads as well. So if you're turning around a bend, whether it's in Yellowstone Park or Pacific Coast Highway, wherever you are, if there's a sharp-ish bend, they bank it as well, so that it makes it easy to go around the bends without slowing down. And we don't really have that in the UK. They just turn a corner.
Yeah.
So yeah, I don't know. I kind of like it. We haven't seen a lot of police, but where they have, they've done the job well. We haven't felt endangered or afraid anywhere we've been.
Nope.
Even walking around LA with the crackheads and having a chat with them.
Nice political correct name for them there, the crackheads.
Yeah.
The unfortunate people who are addicted to certain substances.
Yeah.
Yes.
But yeah, even they were engaging to the point of being funny rather than scary.
Yeah, we're having a proper chat with them. It was lovely.
So yeah, and nothing to do with America, but I missed my dog for 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's the one overall thing. Miss the dog, miss the daughter and the grandson.
Yeah.
So that'd be nice to get back
And it'd be
see
nice
him.
to sleep in the same bed rather than having a different bed every night.
Yeah. The last few ones where it's been so after Vegas, where we've had different hotels every night. That's been a shocker. But yeah, it'd be nice to not live out of a suitcase and wear crumpled clothes all the time.
Yeah.
So, but compared to the trip, worth it.
Oh yeah.
Absolutely worth it.
Definitely.
Bloody fantastic.
Yeah.
So no doubt we'll catch up with you later in Monterey Bay.
Yeah.
Talking about a good time. We're chasing every moment, all the good nights. We're always looking out and it's a good life. We go around the world for a show. And it's a good time. We're chasing every moment, all the good nights. We're always looking out and it's a good life. No, we are never letting this go. Keep it going on, keep the record playing.
holiday?
Last vlog.
Last vlog of the holiday. So we've left Monterey Bay, which was fantastic. Love a little place. I got to see sea otters and loads of seals playing and pelicans.
Yeah.
And I mean, the town was nice as well.
It was very Wild West kind of frontier town, sort of late 1800s kind of buildings and things like that.
Yeah, lots of random ones just plonked in the middle of all the other new ones as well.
Yeah.
The hotel we stayed in was one of the oldest in the town apparently, which was quirky.
Yeah.
Yes, smallest hotel room of them all, which if it's such an old building then you can kind of see why. Seagulls on form this morning.
Oh yeah.
Waking us up, although someone was up working anyway. But yeah, it was lovely. So now we are on our way to the airport. We are an hour away to go and hand the car back and get ourselves back home again.
Yeah, back to Blighty.
But back to sleeping.
Yeah, well, hopefully.
So
Back to the same bed every night.
Wait, and back to the dog.
Yeah.
Oh, I'll get to see my dog tomorrow. So
If he'll
happy.
speak to us.
Yeah, if he will, because he does sulk a little bit. So yeah. Well, and thank you for coming along with us.
Yep, hope you've enjoyed it.
We've had some fun.
As usual, any comments or anything like that, questions, leave them in the comment section down below.
Yep.
And if you like this kind of stuff, then we don't do it very often.
Nope.
But we do go away in a camper van.
Yes, and we're not going to be doing so many miles again for quite a while, I should think. So yeah. So we'll catch you soon.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye.
Can't recall. There's a new wind blowing for me. Left nothing to see on California. Took a chance, but soon you were gone and already done with California. There's a